Hello parents and welcome back for another week of our instructional videos. My name is Katie McCauley and I am one of our district's ELA instructional coaches. Today I'm going to be highlighting for you some of our school library resources and ways that these resources can be extended into your homes. So before we go ahead and get started, I'd like you to just pause this video and take note to the number that you see on the screen here. This number is going to come in handy a little bit later when you try to log into the website that I feature with your child. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get started. The way that this works is that when your child logs into their district Chrome device, they are going to navigate to the Royal Launchpad, which we have seen together many times. Once here, they're just going to scroll down and look for this Power Library application. Now, this is an application that is being used across our libraries throughout the district. So your child should be familiar with this and has probably already logged in with that special code before. However, if it's their first time logging in, they will need that code when they click down here to enter the Power Library. Now, once we get in here, there are a ton of fabulous resources for you and your child to explore. You can navigate the site to check those out, but the one that I'd like to really highlight today is this Power Kids application that is over here on the right-hand side. Now, like I said, this is used across our district in libraries in each building. Once you get in here, you can see there are 4 wonderful e-resources that you'd like to take time to check out individually and on their own. But I just want to highlight a couple things. The book flicks that you see here, this is geared for our K-2 students and is a wonderful place for them to go to check out titles, read up on topics, do some research, see some wonderful pictures and graphics and things like that. Whereas down here, our Gal in Context Elementary tab is a wonderful resource for our 3rd through 5th graders. It has so many wonderful features, including a feature that allows the website to translate text into several different languages, which is really cool. It also has a read aloud feature for your child that they may find helpful. Over here, our TrueFlix application is a great place to go to watch videos that are paired with text on the same topic. So this resource allows your child to get information in a couple different ways. And up top, our Cyber Smarts Saying Safe Online resource is something that you will definitely want to check out along with your child. This provides information and text for you to read about safety measures that we can take when utilizing online resources, which we do quite a bit of. So when you have a moment, log into your child's district device, navigate to that Power Library application, and be sure to check out Power Kids. Explore, have fun, and keep reading.